Hi there, we're gonna talk about why fracking is a very bad activity for our people and our planet. The definition of fracking is a shorthand for hydraulic fracturing, a type of drilling that has been used commercially for 65 years and is mainly the extraction of petroleum in ocean waters and some parts of the earth.
Fracking might be a technique that can provide a good natural source for the economy, but it has many disadvantages for the environment as well as for the people living near the extraction sites. The primary disadvantage of fracking is that it contaminates the underground fresh water sources because the process of fracking includes very toxic chemicals and some of them are very hazardous and can reach the layers of underground water, which will become contaminated with deadly substances.
It also affects the waste of water. Millions of gallons of water are needed to complete one fracking activity per day. So this affects the water reserves for humans. It also affects workers. 600 chemicals are used in the fracking activity, so all the thousands of workers are exposed to these chemicals.
During the process of fracking, a natural gas is exposed by this process. This gas is the methane gas, that is a greenhouse effect gas that can be dangerous and hotter than the CO2. During this process also, it can be worse than the burning of carbon.
Fracking also creates earthquakes in the earth because hydraulic fracturing creates way in the underground rock till the deposits of oil and shale gas, but the highly pressurized liquid that penetrates the rock and is left inside when the drilling hole is sealed creates unprecedented quakes in and around the extraction area and affects the people that live there.
Companies respect the rules and regulations that they are stated in a country or in the United Nations about the regulation of wastes of petroleum. Also, for safety of the workers, companies don't respect the integrity of these workers, and maybe they can release the toxins, as Roberto said, and they can get sick in this activity.
Water is used during the process of fracking. Almost 90% of water in this process never comes back to the surface.
So finally, as a team, we agree that the activity of fracking can damage the environment a lot and can waste the resources that are not renewable. So we agree that using a different energies like the energy of the sun and others can be greater can be good for the world and the environment.